Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video answering a question that you have left me. Do I have to put it in the machine after changing the MAF sensor, the flow meter? Put it in the machine refers to the diagnosis machine. Let's see. If you haven't found any fault in the instrument panel, you simply change one piece for the other and that's it. You don't have to put it in the machine. But if you have already found that failure in the box, it may happen that until you reset it, it will not recognize the part, so it will not work well. You have to reset to erase this failure. In some more modern vehicles, even when changing the air filter, you have to put the diagnosis machine in, so that the MAF does self-learning, and it may also happen that you have this error, and when changing the part the error in the instrument panel is erased. But even so, let's see, the part would work well there in principle. There shouldn't be a major problem. But my advice is that you also put it in the machine to reset and erase that fault, because if you later get another different fault in the car, by not having erased that fault, it can create confusion when it comes to looking for the problem that the vehicle has. I tell you from experience. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.